Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your phone. While you were sleeping, an AI tool earned you money. No boss, no 9 to 5, no office stress. Sounds insane, right? Well, in 2025, that's not science fiction, it's reality. And today I'm going to show you the AI side hustles people in the USA are using right now to make serious money. Trust me, you'll want to watch till the end because the last one could replace your entire paycheck. Welcome back to Smart Finance Academy, where we turn complex money strategies into simple step-by-step guides. If you're serious about building wealth and escaping the 9-to-5 grind, hit that subscribe button right now, because this video might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Now, before I reveal the AI side hustles, here's a warning. These aren't overnight get-rich-quick schemes. But if you stick around, you'll see exactly how regular people, just like you, are using AI to create multiple income streams. And if you apply even one of these, you could see results faster than you think. First on the list is AI-powered content creation. Think about this. Businesses in the US are spending billions on blogs, product descriptions, newsletters, and ads. But here's the catch. They don't care who writes it. They just care that it's fast, good, and converts. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai come in. Instead of struggling for hours, you can generate a 1,000-word article in minutes. Now here's the trick. You don't just stop at writing. You package your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. For example, let's say you charge $50 for a blog post. With AI, you could deliver 3 posts a day without burning out. That's $150 a day, or about $4,500 a month, just writing with AI. And the demand? Endless. Small businesses, e-commerce stores, and even YouTubers need fresh content every single week. Now here's where things get really exciting. Did you know there are faceless YouTube channels making 6 figures a year without showing their face, just by using AI? Here's how it works. You use tools like Pictory, Runway, or InVideo AI to generate video content. Add a voiceover from 11 Labs or a built-in narrator. Publish as shorts, TikToks, or even full YouTube videos. The beauty? Once a video is live, it can earn forever through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. And here's a secret. Finance, tech, and AI niches have some of the highest CPMs on YouTube, meaning you earn more per view than cooking or gaming channels. Next up, AI graphic design for print on demand. Platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, and Merch by Amazon let you upload designs for t-shirts, mugs, and posters. When someone buys, they print and ship it. You just collect royalties. Here's the twist. Instead of being a professional designer, you let AI tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, or Dolly do the artwork. Imagine typing retro New York City skyline with neon colors. Boom, unique design ready in 60 seconds. Now upload 50 designs and each could sell for years. Some creators are making $1,000 to $10,000 a month from print on demand, with AI doing the creative heavy lifting. All right, those are the first 3 AI side hustles. But trust me, we're just scratching the surface. In part 2, I'll show you how people are making money with AI investing, AI freelancing, and even AI that runs entire businesses. These are the side hustles that could blow up in 2025, and you do not want to miss them. We've already covered AI content creation, video automation, and print on demand. But now, let's get into the side hustles that are exploding in the USA right now, the ones that can turn into serious income streams if you start early. Let's start with freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with clients begging for quick turnaround work, whether it's writing, graphics, or social media. Here's where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Instead of spending hours, you can deliver projects in a fraction of the time. Need a LinkedIn bio written? ChatGPT can create 5 polished versions in seconds. Need a TikTok ad? Jasper can generate a full script and captions instantly. Imagine this. A client pays you $100 for a project that used to take 5 hours. With AI, you can finish in under an hour. That means you're no longer trading time for money. You're scaling your output. And clients don't care if you used AI. They care that it's good and delivered fast. Next is investing. And no, I don't mean gambling on crypto. I'm talking about AI-powered finance apps. In 2025, platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, and Acorns are using AI to automate investments. They study market data, rebalance your portfolio, and minimize taxes, all in the background. Here's the side hustle angle. You don't just invest your own money. You start content around it. For example, TikTok creators are posting their AI-powered investing results every week. Viewers love seeing numbers grow, and it builds trust. Once your audience grows, you can earn through affiliate deals. Many investing apps pay $10 to $50 for every sign-up. So you're not just growing your own money, you're creating a monetizable content brand around AI investing. This one is huge, AI as a virtual assistant. Businesses in the USA are drowning in emails, scheduling, and customer service. Instead of hiring staff, they're turning to AI. Tools like Durable, Notion AI, and even Zapier integrations can run entire workflows automatically. Want to manage a client's inbox? AI sorts and drafts replies. Need to schedule posts for a business? AI tools handle it. Here's the opportunity. You become the person who sets up these automations for small businesses. And businesses are willing to pay big because automation saves them hours every week. Some freelancers are charging $500 to $1,000 just to set up a single AI automation system. Do that 5 times a month and you're looking at $5,000 with no physical products, no inventory, just AI tools. Now that's 6 AI side hustles. And here's the thing, you don't need to do all of them. Even one could start replacing your paycheck. But we're not done yet. In the final part of this video, I'm going to share 2 of the most exciting AI hustles, including one that can make money even while you sleep. Plus, I'll wrap up with a step-by-step game plan you can copy to get started today. All right, we're down to the final stretch. You've seen 6 powerful AI side hustles, from content creation to investing to automation. But these last 2? They're game changers. These are the hustles that can scale into full-time income, and yes, they can make money even while you're asleep. Think about this. People are paying for knowledge more than ever before. But here's the secret. You don't need to be an expert in everything. AI can help you package knowledge and sell it. Here's how. Use ChatGPT or Claude to outline an ebook or course. Use Canva to design it. Upload to Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Teachable. For example, let's say you create a $15 beginner's guide on AI side hustles in 2025. You sell just 1,000 copies over the year. That's 15,000 from one product you built once. Now imagine stacking 3 or 4 products. And the best part? Once it's online, it keeps selling day and night. That's passive income powered by AI. Finally, let's talk about the Holy Grail, AI-powered businesses. In 2025, you can literally start a business with AI handling 80% of the work. Think drop shipping stores built with Shopify and AI-generated product descriptions. Think social media agencies where AI writes, designs, and schedules all the posts. You're not just doing gigs, you're creating a system. And once a system is built, it runs without you. Some entrepreneurs in the US are already running fully automated Shopify stores that generate thousands per month. They spend their time growing, not grinding. Okay, let's make this practical. If you're watching this in the USA and want to start making money with AI, here's the game plan. Pick one hustle from today's list that excites you. Don't try all 8. Spend 1 week learning the tool. Watch tutorials, practice, build a demo. Create your first offer, a Fiverr gig, a YouTube channel, a print-on-demand design, or an ebook. Publish it. Even if it's not perfect, get it out there. Scale up. Once you see your first $10, double down. That's how you get to 100, 1,000, and beyond. So there you have it. 8 AI side hustles in 2025 that real people in the USA are using to ditch the 9-to-5 and build freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Which hustle would you start today? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Smart Finance Academy, and turn on notifications because we've got more game-changing videos coming every single week.